Alright, so today is day 4 of the 21 days raw challenge, and I am starting my day with tangerine. I'm going to be peeling all of these and then, or pegging, whatever you call it, and I'm also going to be soaking my feet in some Epsom salt and soursop leaf. I'll show you that. Yeah, so self-care. Self-care on a Thursday. It's still hot. Water still hot. Let me make it cool down some more. Go and eat my tangerine. I ended up going live on Instagram while I was pegging my tangerines and soaking my feet. But I think I will download that Instagram live and post it to YouTube. If you think I should do that, leave a comment and let me know. And if you think I should go live on YouTube, also leave a comment and let me know. The next thing I'm having is grapefruit. So I guess today is the citrus day. Okay, I hope this is a good breadfruit, a good grapefruit, a juicy grapefruit. I think it is juice. Look at that juice. Look at that juice. You see? Yeah. Alright, so I'm supposed to be doing the Any Warrior pose for day 4 of the yoga pose challenge, but I'm laughing already because this is what it's supposed to look like. But let me start with some stretches. Starting with some stretches because I see Joanna do something and I know say, hey. Alright, let me see what I go on to me. Boy. Let me show you the other way. If my foot bottom dirty, but barefooted, so see with me. Alright, let me try sideways though. Alright, so the next thing I am having is coconut water. Alright, this is how we do it with the coconut opener. This is how we do it. Ooh, look at that. South Central does it like nobody does. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. See there? Alright. A straw. And for those who are wondering, that's all you're eating? That could have never full my belly. No, sir. Mother hungry if that's all I eat. We have to remember that no two persons are the same. So one of the principles that we endorse is that you should listen to your body. For example, if you're active, you may need to eat more than somebody who is not as active. You know, if I'm sitting around a desk every day not being active, then I might need to eat less than somebody who is very active on a construction site or something like that. So the important thing is to listen to your body and do your assessment. Based on what your body is saying, you might need to eat more of something and less of something. And I also encourage you all to go to the doctor, do an executive checkup to see where you are, and then you'll be able to assess if how you're eating is helping you your health to progress. It can also actually direct you in terms of the nutrients that you should be eating more of and stuff like that. The idea is to eat and feel satiated and not to starve yourself, and also not to malnourish yourself, right? So listen to your body. That's an important. Your body tell you things, you know, your body, whether it's from pain or discomfort, once you're in tune with your body, you will know when things are not right, and based on that you can do your assessment and go to the doctor and check up and see whether you need to eat more of something, less of something, eat more overall, and stuff like that. So yeah, listen to your body. That's a principle we endorse. So there you have it. Thanks again for watching another What I Eat in a Day. It was my day 4. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you to all my radicals. But if you want to become an official radical, then join the Raw Fam on Patreon. The links are in the description section. And remember, you can also get a copy of my 21 days raw planner. Again, the links are in the description. Let's make this year the most radical year of your life. Let's make it a year of radical transformation. Join the radical and wealthy family, the Raw Fam. Right? Sign up now. Sign up now. Thank you so much for your support. Raw love.